Christina, and I'm here to show you the Eco Collapsible Meal Kit from Smart Planet. The great thing about the Eco Collapsible Meal Kit is that it comes with a built-in condiment container and an innovative spork utensil that fits on the inside of the lid. The large Eco Meal Kit comes with room for one entree and 2 compartments for your sides, while the single has room for 1 entree or a sandwich. Each 5-piece meal kit comes with everything you see here. The Eco Meal Kit is even impact resistant. It fits into your purse, backpack, or briefcase. The Eco Meal Kit is even leak-proof. When finished, simply put the lid on, push down, and watch the meal kit collapse to half its size. It stores perfectly in your cupboard or pantry. And they are microwave safe, freezer safe, as well as top rack dishwasher safe.